When I saw the email, I jumped at it and I was so excited to come. I can't wait to meet the amazing speakers and just to network with people.
You learn to let go of your work. It's not your work, it's for somebody. At some point, it's not just your work.
For we creative people, mistake is very good. It opens your eyes to things that you can actually be better at. So don't see it as something that will limit your flow. So you make as many mistakes as possible. And when you're making mistakes, it means that you're actually going forward.
I had some guys in the back, when they asked Beggar, like, which place do you put your stuff? Like as if it's the platform you put your stuff that will get the client. No, it's that you don't have a life. It's that this is what you do when you wake up in the morning. You just do it, then you go to sleep. That's how your work will get better, and you keep putting it out there to the point where your skill level gets to a place where you attract people. It's all about skill level, consistency and skill level.